else? What would you like today?
Yes, I'd like to tell you that Liberty Mutual customizes your car insurance so you only pay for what you need.
Burger Palace. Do you want to?
Yes, one Palace party meal.
Academics, he loves intellectual pursuits, but, he or she comes from a conservative perspective. I go through this discussion with a mutual friend of ours.
Find UK Magazine, articles on issues that matter most to conservative Americans. Join right now at DringerForAMEC.com or call 855.
It's like that, we had a nice special sort of moment together. Of course, they don't all need to be quiet moments to be special. They could be loud
There you go,
moments,
another Phoenix
goofy
driver,
moments, sporty moments.
Yep.
Dorky moments. Moments for...
made by a company that runs sweatshops in China. So
Look at BMW driver. Mirror? Who needs the mirror? It's folded.
If ISIS started
Phoenix shit driver.
Kamala Harris, right before she dropped out, said that the elephant in the room,
And my children are all, mid-20s. My daughter was the first time she was allowed to eligible for vote because of her age was in 2016.
.org for free help.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Trailer overturned.
Someone else. President Trump has expanded steel and aluminum tariffs to some imported products. That includes nails, staples, electric wires, and parts that go into autos and tractors. And Denny's will give away free meatless Beyond Meat burgers this Thursday if you buy a beverage. Denny's will be adding those burgers to its regular...
Oh, oh, oh.